Top 3 best banks for personal loans with bad credit in USA.
Feeling stuck because of a bad credit score and need a personal loan? You're not alone.
Today I'm revealing the top 3 best banks and bank-style lenders for personal loans with bad credit in the USA, so you know what to watch for, what's good, what's risky, and who each bank is best for. Let's dive in. In 3, TD Bank Fit Loan Option. Starting with number 3, TD Bank offers the Fit Loan, an unsecured personal loan from about $2,000 up to $50,000, terms 36 to 60 months, and key benefits like no origination fees and no prepayment penalties. Advantages: because there are no origination fees and the terms are fixed, this loan gives clarity and avoids hidden costs. You can check your rate with no impact to your credit score initially. Disadvantages: while it's marketed broadly, having bad credit may still mean you'll face higher interest rates. Approval is not guaranteed for very low credit scores. Also, this offer is only available in select states. Ideal user: someone with a credit score that's below good but above very bad, who has stable income and wants a mainstream bank experience with fewer fees. If you're banking with TD already, you may also benefit from the relationship. 2. PNC Bank Unsecured Installment Loan. At number 2, PNC Bank offers an unsecured personal installment loan which does not require collateral, has no application or origination fees, and no prepayment penalty. Advantages: the no-fee structure means more of the money you borrow goes to your actual needs rather than upfront costs. Having no collateral requirement makes it less risky for you. Disadvantages: even though there's more flexibility, for borrowers with bad credit, the interest rate will be comparatively high, and approval still depends on your overall financial picture, income, debt-to-income ratio, etc. The bad credit bucket may still carry high cost. Ideal user: someone with a weak credit history but who can demonstrate a stable income, wants a bank-based loan, not just an online lender, and prefers a standard banking infrastructure. 1. OneMain Financial. Best accessible for lower credit scores. And number 1, OneMain Financial, though technically a consumer lender with many branches, is known for providing personal loans to people with bad credit, including those who might not qualify at mainstream banks. It offers unsecured and secured options with rates that reflect the higher risk but with accessibility. Advantages: if you have very low credit, fewer options usually exist. This lender targets that gap. You may still get approved when many banks turn you away. It can be a practical path to rebuild credit if you manage it well. Disadvantages: the trade-off is cost. Interest rates tend to be much higher and fees may be significant. It's still essential to review the total repayment and ensure you can manage the monthly payments. A high rate means you'll pay more over time. Ideal user: a borrower who has tried mainstream banks and been denied, has credit challenges, but has steady income and a realistic repayment plan. Someone who understands they'll pay more for access but want a real loan option. Final thoughts: if you're looking for a personal loan in the USA with bad credit, these top 3 give you a spectrum. TD Bank for a mainstream bank option with fewer fees, PNC for secure bank infrastructure and flexibility, and OneMain Financial for high accessibility when credit is weak. Each has its own benefits and sacrifices. Before you apply, check your credit score, review your income and budget, compare APRs, loan term and total cost. A lower interest rate matters a lot when your credit is poor, and rejecting a bad offer and rebuilding credit might be wiser than accepting an overpriced loan. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.